Number 10.
A modern kitchen backsplash adorned with sleek, metallic, and geometric tiles against smooth marble countertops is a design trend that captivates the senses. The interplay of textures, shapes, and materials elevates the kitchen's aesthetics, infusing it with contemporary charm and timeless elegance. By combining functionality with creativity, homeowners can transform their kitchens into culinary sanctuaries that inspire both culinary delights and design envy.
Number 9.
Embrace the wonders of nature and infuse your modern kitchen with a photorealistic forest mural backsplash. This innovative design concept opens up a world of possibilities, where the tranquility of the outdoors meets the functionality of the kitchen space. By immersing yourself in the beauty of a serene forest, you create a culinary sanctuary that nourishes both the body and the soul. Let the allure of nature transform your kitchen into a space of inspiration, relaxation, and unparalleled visual delight.
Number 8.
The Smart Kitchen Backsplash with integrated LED panels is a cutting-edge addition that revolutionizes the traditional culinary space. By merging technology and design, this futuristic marvel creates a dynamic and playful atmosphere, transforming your kitchen into a hub of creativity and delight. From setting the right ambience for every occasion to spotlighting your culinary artistry, the Smart Backsplash adds a touch of magic to your cooking haven. Embrace the wonders of modern innovation and immerse yourself in the charm of this dynamic LED masterpiece.
Number 7.
Infuse your modern kitchen with the enchanting allure of recycled glass tiles and vibrant hues. This sustainable approach to design not only brings a burst of color to your culinary haven, it also reflects light, creating a luminous and cheerful ambience. Embrace the beauty of eco-chic living, and let your kitchen be a testament to responsible design choices that make a positive impact on the environment. Choose recycled glass tiles to elevate your kitchen style, while contributing to a greener, more vibrant planet.
Number 6.
Transform your kitchen into a realm of ethereal elegance with a modern backsplash crafted from translucent marble. Embrace the captivating beauty of this unique stone as light passes through, creating a mesmerizing illusionary effect that elevates your culinary space to new heights. The play of light and shadows, the dynamic glow, and the breathtaking beauty of the translucent marble make the backsplash a true masterpiece in your kitchen. Elevate your cooking experience with this enchanting design concept, turning your kitchen into an ethereal sanctuary that captivates the senses and embraces timeless elegance.
Number 5.
Unleash the power of hexagons and elevate your kitchen with a visually captivating backsplash, featuring interlocking hexagonal tiles in various sizes and colors. Embrace the artistry of this geometric shape, creating a modern and eye-catching masterpiece that harmonizes with your kitchen's decor. The dynamic interlocking design and endless color combinations make the backsplash a canvas of creativity, setting your culinary space apart from the ordinary. Whether you seek a subtle elegance or a bold statement, the hexagon harmonies breathe life into your kitchen walls, making them a captivating and stylish focal point. Elevate your cooking experience with this stunning design concept, embracing the allure of hexagons in a backsplash that adds artful geometry and modern charm to your kitchen.
Number 4.
Indulge your senses and immerse yourself in the ocean's allure with an iridescent seashell backsplash in your modern kitchen. The shimmering tiles bring the serenity and beauty of the sea right to your home, creating a coastal oasis where tranquility and elegance meet. Experience the magic of coastal living. Let the iridescent seashell tiles transform your culinary space into a mesmerizing sanctuary that celebrates the wonders of the ocean. Elevate your kitchen's aesthetics and embrace the allure of the sea's iridescence with this breathtaking and timeless design element.
Number 3.
Experience the magic of a rustic industrial fusion in your kitchen, where reclaimed wood tiles meet metallic accents to create a captivating and harmonious design. This unique blend not only showcases the beauty of weathered wood, but also introduces a modern edge with metallic glimmers. Revel in the coziness of the past and the sleekness of the present as you enjoy a kitchen that embodies the best of both worlds. Elevate your culinary space to a new level of style and sophistication with this stunning fusion of rustic and industrial elements.
Number 2.
Transport your kitchen to a realm of tranquility and enchantment with a pastel-themed modern backsplash featuring soft shades of mint, blush, and lavender. Embrace the elegance of these soothing hues and let their gentle charm illuminate your culinary haven. By creating a dreamy and delightful ambience, the pastel-themed backsplash becomes the heart of your kitchen, inviting you to savor moments of serenity and culinary creativity. Elevate your cooking experience with this magical fusion of pastel colors, turning your kitchen into a soothing sanctuary of relaxation and charm.
Number 1.
Step back in time and embrace the glamorous world of Art Deco, with a luxurious gold and black backsplash in intricate geometric patterns. This exquisite design captures the essence of timeless elegance, elevating your kitchen to a realm of opulence and sophistication. The interplay of gold and black tiles creates a captivating work of art that becomes the heart of your culinary space. Embrace the allure of Art Deco splendor and infuse your modern kitchen with a touch of nostalgia and grandeur. Elevate your cooking experience with this lavish backsplash, where glamour and luxury converge to create a kitchen that exudes enduring elegance.